Alright, now that we've shown you guys around town, we're gonna have our expert real estate advisor, Leo, go over how those aspects affect the price in those areas.
Thank you, Shawn. Alright guys, I believe you have a great tour with Shawn. Now let's look at how the property price looks like in Riverdale. Firstly, let's look at the detached house. There is a 49 detached house on sale right now. The price range is start from 1.48 all the way down to almost 7 million. Like the Shawn showed to you, like there's affordable small houses with good school attachment that you can get about 1.5. Also, if you like luxury style and river views, you can get somewhere between 2 all the way to 7 million. And if we look at the house sold price in half a year, the sold price start from 1.12 all the way to 3.78 in half a year. There are about 25 sold properties in Riverdale in half a year. And also, you probably already know there are some of the townhouses and condos in Riverdale as well. So for condo and townhouses, there are 32 properties on sale in Riverdale. The price range will be start from 320K all the way to 1.2 mil. So we can see here in Riverdale in half a year for townhouse and condo, there are 20 properties sold. The sold price start from 250K to 915K. So average price will be around 500K to 600K. It's pretty affordable, especially with such good location and school attachment. And also I can show you the market report, which is I have a most recent September market report. So here is Riverdale here. Active listings on October is there are 50 properties and 5 properties sold in Riverdale. The benchmark price is 1.51 million. But here is a key point, is 1 year change. In Riverdale is 12% lower. So you can see the benchmark price is 12% lower compared to last year for houses. And if we look at condo here, there are 23 properties on sale and 3 properties sold only in Riverdale. The benchmark price is 514K. 1 year change is almost 20%. So there is more adjustment on condo market in Riverdale at least. And if we look at the townhouses, there are only 8 townhouses on sale because there are not too much options there. There are only quite a few complex. It's quite old, about 30 or 40 years old. So that's why not too many townhouses on the market. There are 8 on the market and 1 gets sold. Benchmark price is about 773K. 1 year change about 10%. So we can tell from the market report, all the price start from townhouse, condo to the detached is all lower than like 10 to 20% lower than last year. So we see a big adjustment now. Not only Riverdale, but in Great Vancouver, it's a general trend. I can show the trend here. I selected detached house. The green line is Richmond benchmark price. The light blue line is the Riverdale. You can see the trend is generally same. It start from the peak point. The peak point is September 2017, all the way dropping to like 1.5 mil. So all the way from 1.75 drop to 1.5. 1 year difference, you can see here is about the same, like 11% or 12%. for detached. So now it's great timing to buy if you're a serious buyer, because now it's very strong buyer's market, especially for some people who thinking to upgrade, like upsizing to a bigger house or from a condo to townhouses. This is a great timing to buy. The reason why you can see from here's a cross point. That's about the June this year. See the line crossed out, the price start to little bit picking up and going even faster on August, getting quicker pickup. Well, at least from now we can see this is a bottom point. The market start to picking up. So if you're a buyer and waiting to move to Riverdale, don't miss the great time window to buy. Alright, now you already got a tour about the Riverdale. Also, you'll see the real estate price in Riverdale as well. Also, the market report. I believe you have a general idea about how the price looks like, how the market looks like in Riverdale. If you look at the market news, you know now the government take a lot of actions on the real estate market because now compared to the local income, it's not that affordable for a lot of local residents. That's why the government take a lot of actions such as foreign buyer tax, speculation tax. Liberal just win the election on the federal, so they may gonna do more actions to try to slowing down the real estate market, try to make the real estate market more affordable for the local residents. For the buyer, still now is the history lower interest rate for the mortgage, and the Liberal just win the election. They promise they're gonna do more for the first time home buyers. So if you are new immigrants, first time home buyers, and you're looking for properties for your own, now you can get better deals, no matter from the mortgage or from the real estate price. You got tons of options in the market right now, and you have a negotiate power, and you get help from the government. They can even give you non-interest 5 to 10% shares. It's kind of the government investment with you guys. So if you're a buyer and you get a mortgage approved, now is a great timing to buy because you have to living somewhere, right? So rather you just paying the rent, I recommend that you just paying your own mortgage, and you can have your own freedom in your own home. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, please click the button below for the subscribing. We will have more videos about different areas in Richmond and Greater Vancouver. And thank you for your time.